Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50. Welcome to today's workout. Thank you for clicking on the channel. Today's workout is a beginner-friendly burpee workout. We have 10 different burpee variations. We're gonna start off very easy and we're gonna end up with a more difficult one. We're gonna start off with a nice and simple step back burpee and we're gonna end up with a double pump burpee. For the first 5 or 6 sets, we are going to do 10 repetitions per burpee. The last 4 or 5 sets, we are going to drop down to 5 repetitions per burpee. Don't want anybody to get injured, don't want to get hurt or overdo it for the first time. So remember, if you feel overworked, however, just stay with the previous variation of burpee. Work your way up slowly, don't get injured. I want to make sure you come back for the next workout, guys. So let's get this done and I'll see you in about 5 seconds. Alright guys, let's get going in a couple seconds. The first burpee is going to be a step back burpee. You're going to step back into a plank position, step forward, and stand up. As simple as that. We're going for 10 repetitions. You guys ready? Let's get going in 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Get down on the ground, step back, no push up, step forward, and that's 1. 3, 4, 5, 6, 4 more, 7, 3 more, keep going, 8, 9, and last one, and 10. All right, perfect. Now make sure this camera is recording. It is. Perfect. Now we're going to take about a 30-second break. This one, we're going to step back, but jump in. So, on the ground, step back, plank position, jump back in, and stand up. That's going to be our second progression. We're going for 10 repetitions. This is going to be a significant jump up in difficulty, I think. So let's get going in about 10 seconds. Remember, step back, jump in. That's the progression. We're going for 10. Ready? In 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Down, step back, jump in, and stand up. This feels much more natural. Down, step back, jump in, and that's 2. Down, back, in. 3, step back, 4, 1 more for halfway, 5 more, 6, 7, 8, 9, last one, and 10. All right, let's take 30 seconds. And this one, we're doing the reverse. We're jumping back, then stepping back in, and then standing up. Whew. Yep, everybody's getting going. And this is not even a real burpee anymore. For me, it's 4 in the morning when I'm recording this, guys. I hope you're early with me, and I hope you're just doing this regardless actually of what time it is. Anyway, we got about 3, 4, 5 seconds left. Remember, jumping out, stepping back in. Ready? In 3, 2, 1. On the ground, jump back, step in. That's 1. On the ground, jump back, and step in. And that's 2. 3, 4, 5 more, back, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1 more, and 10. All right, take 30 seconds. So guys, at any point, if you feel like they're getting too difficult, just do the previous version. Just continue doing it with me throughout the workout. If the push-up is too much, just just don't do the push-up. All right, next one coming up. We have, let's see what's next on the list. We have step back with push-up. So we're gonna step back, do a push-up, and step forward. This is set number 4. All right, you guys ready? Let's get going about 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Remember, push-up. So step back, push up, and step forward. Nice and easy. Ready? We're going for 10. And step forward. That's 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. One more. Let's go. And 10. All right, take our break. From here, we are doing a step back, push up, but we're jumping in. Whew. This is going to be set number 5. After this one, we're going to drop down to 5 repetitions per burpee. You're going about 10 seconds or so. Remember, stepping back, push up, jump it in. Step back, push up, jump in. Ready? In 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Step back, push up, jump in. No jump yet. We'll get there. Step back, up, in. That's 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. One more. And 10. All right. From here, we're doing the reverse. Guess what? Right now, it's only 5 repetitions. We're getting tired. We want to quit. We won't. So we'll just cut down the repetitions a little bit. Anyway, so now we're jumping out, doing the push-up, and then we're stepping back up. All right? Lost track of time. Let's get going about 15 seconds. But like I said, it's only 5 repetitions, so it's going to go pretty quickly. All right, jump out, push up, step back. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. Jump out, push up, step back. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 5 more. 6. 7. 8. 9. And 10. Well, I lied. I was so used to doing 10 repetitions that I did 10 instead of 5. Sorry about that. My bad. My bad. Anyway, right now, we're going to start doing 5 reps once again. For the first time, but once again. So, we're doing burpee, no push-ups. So we're just going to jump there and back without a push-up. We're going for 5 reps. Just 5, I promise. So let's get going in about 10 seconds. Remember, just jump back and jump in and out. No push-up. Let's get going. 5, 4, for 5 reps. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, one more, and 5. Had to remind myself. All right, now we're doing the same thing, but we're ending a push-up. We're going for 5 repetitions. We get going in about 15 seconds. Give it another 15 seconds or so. Same thing with push-up. Jump, push-up. This is almost a burpee, but we're not doing the full jump up in the air once we come up. That's on the next set. So you guys ready? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 2 more. 4, and 5. All right. 30 seconds. Now we're repeating the same thing. When we come up, we're gonna take a nice little hop. That's all there's to it, nice and simple. You're going about 20 seconds or so. 5 reps, guys. Nice quick burpee workout today. I feel like this is a good introduction to the burpee. If you guys wanna do more, I will sacrifice myself and we could do more burpees next time. Just let me know. I take requests on the channel, guys. All right, let's get going in a couple of seconds. Remember, same thing with a jump. Ready? In 3, 2, 1, and let's go. 5 repetitions. 1, that's it. 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, take a 30-second break. Can't speak. This is why I don't like the burpees. All right, guys. Here, we're doing double pumps. This is the final set. That's gonna be 10 sets of burpees. I think it's 75 altogether, right? So we cheated, or I cheated. So it's gonna be 80. That's a good amount of burpees for a first timer, right? So let's get going. Remember, 2 pumps. That means 2 push-ups we're doing on this. So we're gonna go jump back, 2 push-ups, jump up, then give me a hop. Let's get going, 10 seconds. You guys ready? 5, 4, 3, 2 push-ups, 1, and let's go. And a jump. And that's 1 repetition, only 4 left. That's 2. That's 3. That's 4. That's 1. And that's 5. And we are done. What was this, 12, 13 minutes? Perfect little burpee workout, guys. Thank you for joining me today at this beginner burpee workout. Hope you subscribe, hope you come back. Workouts do come out every Monday and every Thursday. Once again, my name is Paul. Thank you for joining me at Fit After 50, and I'll see you guys during the next workout.